Hi, I'm Mark from Sony, and I've managed to get my hands on the brand new Sony Alpha A7R Mark V camera. The A7R Mark V gives you incredible high resolution, and if you're a landscape, wedding, studio or a wildlife photographer, then this camera could be ideal for you. In this video we take a quick look at the new A7R Mark V camera, its new autofocus technology, the image quality and its overall operability. Over the last couple of years, Sony has produced some very high resolution cameras, from the 50 million pixel A1 to the 33 million pixel A7 Mark IV camera. The new camera sits within the resolution category of the Sony Alpha lineup, alongside compact, basic, sensitivity, speed and the One cameras. The R series range of cameras has evolved into the 5th generation of camera for Sony, and in this version the new camera combines resolution with AI technology. This means that the new camera has an AI-powered AF system, improved image quality and operability. It has a 61 million pixel backside illuminated full-frame XR sensor combined with the latest BIONZ XR processor. Now this is 8 times faster than its previous predecessor. It now adds an AI processing unit designed for AI-based image processing, including deep learning. Now this means when the camera executes a task, it executes it without any human input. This is a huge turning point in AF technology, improving the subject recognition rate using algorithms as they expose to data over time. The new A7R Mark V can now recognise noses, ears, necks, shoulders, elbows, knees and ankles, for example. As a result of this, the tracking in AF is also improved, as well as the IAF. Comparing the A7R Mark V to the A7R Mark IV, the new camera is more accurate with human posture even if the eyes and face are hidden. Now the camera also recognises heads and bodies of animals even if the eyes are not visible. The new A7R Mark V also recognises cars, trains and planes and subject motion by tracking the specified subject. This is now expanded to other areas like insects, birds and animals. The autofocus on the A7R Mark V now covers 79%, 86% in height of the sensor with 693 AF points, and in crop mode it has more than 90% coverage. The A7R Mark V weighs 723 grams and measures 131.3mm by 96.8mm by 82.4mm. The new camera has a 4-axis tiltable and flip-out 3.2-inch LCD monitor screen, sharper and brighter than the A7R Mark IV. It has a similar viewfinder as found on the Alpha A7S Mark III, 0.64 tight with 9.4 dot resolution. It has 2 CF Express Type A card slots, also compatible with SDXC and SDHC SD cards. It also has new dials for easy switching from stills and video, and the 2 dials on the back you can customize. It also has the new menu system with touchscreen and a brand new main menu. As found on the A7S Mark III and the A1, the A7R Mark V now has a similar heat dissipation system to help extend recording time. It's also dust and moisture resistant. The shutter closes when the power is now off, and it also has the durable magnesium alloy chassis body to keep it lightweight. It has the reliable mechanical shutter, which is quiet, and also has the anti-dust image sensor technology. The image stabilisation has also been improved over the A7R Mark IV with 5-axis in-body stabilisation up to 8 steps, and that's for still image shooting. It also has active stabilisation, which can be edited and improved with additional software. It also has improved connectivity with super speed USB 10GB per second and USB streaming. Low light has been improved over the A7R Mark IV, and the colour reproduction is using AE algorithms to deliver a more lifelike skin tone. The auto white balance has also been improved with the inclusion of AI technology, especially in shaded areas. Brand new focus bracketing is now where the camera will automatically shoot up to 299 images with shifted focus points according to the interval set. It goes from 1 narrow to 10 wide. There's also a new anti-flicker TV scan mode to adjust the shutter speed. Now by pressing the centre of the control wheel, you can automatically set the shutter speed so that the flickering is reduced. This is ideal for hybrid shooting. High-speed shooting at up to 10 frames per second with improved number of shots in continuous shooting has been improved. Uncompressed RAW is 88 images and compressed RAW is 1000 or more images. This means the camera is 8 times faster at processing continuous shots over the A7R Mark IV. You get large, medium and small full-frame files. In video we now have 8K 24 frames per second for 30 minutes with a 1.2 times crop. This also allows the new camera to record in 4K 60 frames per second, also with a crop. Without the crop you can video 4K 30p, 24p and 25p with 422 10-bit colour sampling. It also records Full HD 120p in camera, plus in Super 35 mode, 4K 30 frames per second, there's a 1.5 times crop. The A7R Mark V now has S-Cinetone for good skin tone, improved breathing compensation and also focus map showing behind, within and in front depth of field. There are also improvements in audio, stabilisation, AF speed and AF tracking sensitivity. If you shoot weddings or you're a studio photographer, then this is a great upgrade over the popular A7R Mark IV in terms of autofocus, image quality and connectivity. The new flip-out screen and button layout is now more familiar with the A1 and A7 IV cameras, and if you're a wildlife photographer then I highly recommend this new A7R Mark V with larger sensor, AF coverage and lossless quality when selecting crop from full frame. And finally, if you are creating movies with the A7R Mark V, then the high resolution and picture profile improvements will make this camera a serious choice for content creation.